There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Share my screen and I will show you actually my results that I'm having on H4. And what I noticed also on H4, that it's like much better. Let's see what we have open right here, because we are running all the pairs here. And let's see what we have open: AUD CAD, AUD NZD. And let's go take a look at all these pairs so I can tell you what I actually noticed. AUD CAD. Okay, perfect. So we are now here on AUD CAD. So what I noticed on H4, it's like that actually Flash doesn't take so many trades as it does on H1. And the trades, in my opinion, are much more precise than they are. You can see here now, it just closed silver against dollar. And what I noticed is that it's like much more conservative. It opens less trades. And when the trades are open, it takes much more profit. We can go through it, and I can also show you, I think that we have AUD NZD, I think that it's open. You can see here, it's actually going against us right now, but you can see it's like $6 in minus. So in my opinion, it's better to have more pairs open and lower lot size, and Flash is gonna perform amazing. We can go like all through here to see what it's happening. AUD USD, nothing open. CAD JPY, nothing open right now. And then I will show you what I actually did for the whole community, what we did with the developers, so we can get the best performing pairs, not just with back testing, but actually with forward testing. And I will also show you the version that we are releasing today. Actually, to tweak your Flash, to make it more conservative, more aggressive. You can trade if you're a more aggressive user on M15, M30. And I will show you actually why. And you can see right here now, GBP CAD, you can see we're right now $1 in plus, and you can see where it actually like started taking trades. And this is so impressive, like on H4, because you can see one thing here, that here it's like the support, the resistance line on H4, and you can see it's taking trades on the resistance line. And what I actually did is that I put not with 0.01. This is a version. You're gonna get also this version. You see with 0.01, I didn't put 3 and trail by 1, but actually put like 2 times the trailing start and how much it trails by. And I think we're gonna get better results. We're doing the back tests also, but you can see how good they are. You can see also here where it sold GBP NZD. And also look, you can see here what trend it actually caught here. You see it started buying here, and you can see how much GBP NZD went up, but last week it was only with 0.01 and $3, so we missed some profit. And also you can see here NZD CAD, how nice it caught the trend. NZD Swiss franc, let's go through all the pairs so you can see the difference with H4 and H1. And you can also see here with what we have, which pair is that, NZD Swiss franc. You can also see here how nice it caught a trend. when you see it's with every single pair, it's the same thing. USD cat, we have opened more, but if you look at here, USD cat, how it caught the trend up, and I think it's gonna do the same thing now with the trend up. And you can see right now we are only $66 in minus with H4. With H1, we would be like 3 times. And I really think that it's the best thing is to stick to H4. And what I want to show you guys, what we actually did. Let me just open up the website. What we did with the team, we actually created a profile on my FX book. I will send you in the AP Flash announcement channel. I will send you this link, and you can see here we created actually for every single pair a different trading account. So you will have actually like every single pair. You can go EuroCat, and you can see here, okay, EuroCat right now 2% drawdown, what it's open, so that we can have the forward testing of all these pairs. Tomorrow I will add 11 more pairs, so we have like everything set up, how much drawdown, how much profit, everything, so we can select the best working pairs. And all these pairs are working on H4. H4 0.01, start trailing with $6 and trail by $2. So what you're gonna get in the next version, let me open it up for you so you can see what is gonna be in the next version that is gonna be available to all of you. Actually, this Saturday we're gonna push it to the servers. Chart window. Okay, let me open it up. We have it here, a new version. Okay, and right now, what you will have open, you will be able to set the lot size, how you will be able to set now. But then the next thing, what you will be able to set a take profit in cash amount, how much you want, and what do you think for your settings, you're tweaking, what is the best thing. Then you will have here trailing stop loss, and then you will be able to put here cash trail start instead of 3. If you're going to be on H4, you're going to be able to put it to 6. Cash trail buffer, you're going to be able to leave it at 1 or you put it at 2. Then you will have here how many max trades you can have open. Then you will have trade limits per pip range. So this is like really, really nice what our developers did, that you will be all able to select here 5 trades per every, let's say now it's like put in 10, you will be able to put 5 trades every 100 pips. Okay, and then you're just going to be 5 trades, drops 100 pips, another 5 trades can open, so you will be able to do that. Then you will be able to do a count drawdown limit. You will be able to put it here to true, and you will be able to have all the pairs together, how much drawdown limit you have, or you can only put it like for a pair, like how it was now. Then you will be here able to put in how much time the pending orders are kept in the chart. Right now it's 90 minutes. If you want to be more conservative, you can only put it like 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes the pending order disappears. And also like how sensitive the stochastic indicator should be. We have it now 90 and 10. If you're like a more conservative user, you can put it to 95. You can put it to 5 or even to 100 and 0. And then Flash is going to looking for like really, really precise trades. And also you're able to set your own timers here. And this version is going to be pushed this Saturday. And also this version, keep in mind, it's optimized for H4. So H4, it's optimized for H4 chart. So instead of everything running on H1, you will be running every single pair on H4. H1, it's considered with a new version like ultra aggressive, and H4, it's considered actually like moderate, conservative account. So what we're gonna do for you guys, I will be showing you every single time how every single pair performs, how my pairs perform. I can even show you here my demo account that I'm running all this every single pair. Let me just sign in into that account. Actually, what you guys can do, we have this account here in AP, and if you go under Flash announcements, you have here you see Flash, Mr. Flash. You see all the pairs, and also here you have. Let me just scroll up. You have the MyFX book of the demo account that it's running every single pair. with 0.01. It's actually running one pair per every 650 euros on the account. And you can see so far we did 0.57%, $114. And right now at this moment, we are 0.32% in drawdown, $61. So what does that mean? It's actually that on H4, it's going to be much more conservative. And I think that we can get like at least 5 to 7% when we like find and dial in all this every single pair. And like don't like now keep that in mind. I'm just thinking that out loud now. I think that we can run like one pair per every $500 on our accounts, because you can see this is like one pair per every $645, and the drawdown, the biggest drawdown was 0.60%. What it's like amazing, and everything it's running on H4. Keep in mind, this is still the old version. It's not the version that it's coming out this Saturday, because the version that is coming out this Saturday, the profit is gonna be similar to what we have now on H1, but the drawdown is gonna be much smaller. So we optimize it for H4. So get excited, guys. I know that we are in this drawdown with Euro USD. I'm still in the drawdown myself. Let's see where we are right now. Oh my God, we are 660, $670 in drawdown, but I still think that Euro USD is gonna bounce up to 1.14400. We have like a lot of news coming out. It's already out, so I think we are safe now, and also in 15 minutes. So keep in mind, December it's always a tough month for all the softwares. Here you have like my 10K account that I'm running everything on H4. Right now I only have USD CAT open, and you can see a USD CAT is gonna turn back down. Definitely. So me personally, I will running everything on H4, and that's it. Why? Because I don't like big drawdown personally, and I want to be like really, really safe. I want to. Okay, webcam cancel. And I want to run my softwares actually conservative, and I want to make like around 5 to 6% every single month. Does anybody have any questions maybe that I can answer? If there is no questions, guys, we're gonna end this meeting. I'm always available in the chat, so you can also message me personally if you have like any questions that you don't want to ask in the Telegram group. You can message me personally, and I will answer you. But definitely, guys, keep in mind this Saturday we are launching the new version. The new version is optimized for H4. Also, all of you should definitely have saved this account. Go to AP announcements, and you have here the testing account that we are testing everything on H4. That we are testing everything on H4. You have here my FX book. You have also here the account, so you can put it on your phone. And also save this link, Mr. Flash, because you will have here access to one pair data that we created just to see which pairs are working the best with the new version, and then we will be able to actually give you after 3 months the best pairs. We're going to be okay. You can see GBP JPY did in 3 months 30%. It's making so much and so much. Put a GBP JPY, put Euro AUD, put GBP CAT, put AUD Swiss franc. I love the back testing data, but I also love forwarding taste data, because the market is always changing, and then we can get the best pairs and everything. So definitely I think that we're gonna make Flash really amazing product, and I think that it's gonna be one of the most used products in Auvoria Prime. So guys, with that in mind, see you next week. Next week is gonna be the last call for the year, and let's get out of the drawdown of Euro USD, and see you next week. Bye guys.